Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw the country of Belgium. Here you can see the bordering countries here. So in the middle, there's the drawing. I'm going to draw the map of the country Belgium. So on the west side, you can see the France here, and on the eastern side, so the south way locations, you can see the Luxembourg and Germany on the eastern side, and Netherlands on the top in this angular corner. All right, so the bordering, the visual lines, already I have a blurred lines because the maps is a pretty much permanent things, and you have to memorize the borders and the lines, outlines of the country. And sometimes the borders and the maps, it stays like the same for more than 500 years, so just in case of wars or any other special cases, the scenery or the borders of the country, it changed. So map usually doesn't change without any other special cases. Most of the times it changed because of the wars, or if some countries decides to merge together and want to become a bigger country for a bigger purpose, like the Soviet Union that was formed previously and again broken. So it's changed in special cases, but it happens in so many years. So you can see that the bordering and the other drawings of the map of the Belgium here. Now I'm going to use the crayon colors to give it a particular outlook. So this is the oil pastel color. I'm going to put some strokes here, you can see. So I'm doing it inside the borders of the map so that it becomes a visually separate from the outwards, which is the outside the white color. So there's the separation points you can see here. Okay, just move the strokes alongside the borders, and the drawing is in progress, you can see here. All right, after putting all the brush strokes, then you can see that all the racks are pretty much visually clear. But if you want to make this drawing little smoother, just use the blending stamps, or if you don't have any, don't worry, you can use the fingers and move like this one. Then you can see that the colors of the inside the maps and all the crayon colors is become smoother and just merging nicely with all the area which is location inside of the borders. Okay, all right, so I'm moving it along the whole area, and you can see it's become nice, easy and smoother. So that's how you can make the changes for the colors patterns of the crayons or the oil pastel colors to make the drawings and all the colors visually nice, so that it becomes eye soothing and looks good. Okay, so now it's pretty much clear. You can see all the drawings, the whole map. So if you want the academic results, or if you study geography, you need to understand the locations and the size of the maps and the surrounding countries. Or in some technical cases, if you want to visit in other countries, if you are a nice tourist to travel all around the world, in that case, when you know the country and about the bordering countries, about the neighbors, then it's your time for taking a good decisions wherever you want to go and what is you want to do. So that's the thing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned with Blue Hands Drawing YouTube channel. In our next videos, we're going to bring more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.